Hello and welcome to Blind Productions. I'm Dez, and today I have another 3D print for you. In my Let's Play of The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time, I recently got the Goron's Ruby, the second of the 3 spiritual stones. So I figured it was time to continue filling my little display case. I once again hopped into Blender and quickly whipped up my basic model, or rather, half of it. I then imported it into Tinkercad and mirrored it to make the other half and set it up for printing. Since I am making these models so small, about an inch and a half at the longest, the print was relatively quick, about 50 minutes at the highest quality setting. For comparison, a while ago I printed a small elephant statuette for my wife that only stands about 4 or 5 inches tall, and it took 12 hours to print at the lowest quality setting. For paint, I used black primer, clear red, and antique gold from the Reaper Minis Master Series paint. The red did take a few layers, but ultimately I really liked the way it all turned out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like it and subscribe to keep up with all my content. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and if you want to go the extra mile and really lend a lot of support, you can follow me on Patreon. Doing so really helps the channel to grow and also allows you access to exclusive content that you otherwise wouldn't be able to get to. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next week.